If you want to turn off a frozen Android phone if it doesn't respond, so first of all locate your power button. It's right here on the right side on the screen. However, this may vary on your model, so search for it. And your volume up and volume down buttons. We may need them as well. So for Android 8.0 or higher, you have to press the power button for like half a minute. And the system should force itself to reboot even if the screen is not responsible. However, if you have a different version of Android, or maybe for some reason this method doesn't work, there is an extra method for it. So you have to locate your volume down button and your power button, and you have to hold them simultaneously for like 15 seconds, right? If the screenshot is gonna be taken, don't worry, it means that you are holding the right buttons. So let's do this. And there it is, our phone is off and it started the reloading process. Well, it's a very good sign. It means everything works correctly. If your phone has a physical home button, you'll need to do a bit more. You have to hold your power button, volume down button and home button simultaneously. If nothing else works, keep repeating the button combination, power plus volume down, and basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.